In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WordPress HTML. Whether you're looking to make minor adjustments or significant changes to your website, understanding how to modify the HTML can give you the customization control you're seeking. This guide is perfect for those with a bit of technical know-how, looking to enhance their site beyond the standard templates and settings. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to navigate to wordpress.com. It's the platform where you can build a site, sell your stuff, start a blog, and so much more. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the option to log in. Go ahead and select Login to proceed. For those of you using Google as your primary email service, the Continue with Google option will streamline the login process. Simply click on it and you'll be directed to choose the Google account you want to use for logging into WordPress. Select the account you wish to proceed with and you'll be taken to the next step. Now you might be prompted to click on Continue again to finalize the account selection process. This double confirmation ensures the correct account is used and secures your login procedure. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to My Home of your specific site on wordpress.com. It's your dashboard from where you can control nearly every aspect of your website. Look for the View Site option, which should give you a front-end view of your website as it appears to visitors. From here, to enter the editing mode, you'll want to select Edit Site. This option might be represented visually depending on your dashboard theme and layout, but generally it's located near the top toolbar or within site management settings. Now, for the actual HTML editing part. Once in the site editor, you're going to look for the plus icon, usually found near the top or side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to adding new blocks and elements to your page. In the search field that appears after you click the plus icon, type HTML. This action will filter out the blocks and present you with the custom HTML option. This block is where you can paste or write the HTML code that you want to insert into your web page. Select Custom HTML and you'll be provided with a text box where you can enter your HTML code. If you've got the code ready, you can paste it here. If you're writing it from scratch, type it in directly. This feature allows for a range of customizations, from embedding third-party tools and widgets to manually adjusting the page layout. Remember, whenever you're injecting custom HTML into your site, it's crucial to ensure that the code is safe and won't compromise the functionality or security of your website. Always source code snippets from reputable providers and double check any custom code for errors before publishing. After you've inputted your HTML, you have the liberty to preview how it will look on your site before making it live. WordPress offers real-time previews, so you can see your adjustments in action and tweak as necessary to achieve the desired outcome. Once satisfied with your custom HTML and its appearance on your page, the final step is to save or update your changes. It's as simple as clicking the Update or Publish button, depending on whether your page or post is already live or new content you're working on. Inserting and editing HTML in WordPress can seem daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, it becomes a straightforward process that opens up vast possibilities for customizing your site. Whether you're aiming to add a unique touch to your blog posts, incorporate custom widgets, or even tweak the site's layout, mastering the art of HTML editing within WordPress is a valuable skill for any site owner. So that's a wrap on how to edit WordPress HTML. Remember, the world of coding offers endless possibilities to enhance your site, and with WordPress you're equipped with a powerful tool to bring your creative visions to life. Experiment, explore, and don't forget to back up your site before making significant changes. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.